What does this traffic sign indicate? A. A mandatory cycle path. B. Cyclists crossing the carriageway. C. A cyclist's prohibited zone. The correct answer is A. This sign indicates that the path is a mandatory cycle path. Which prohibitions cease to apply when you see this sign? A. No parking. B. No overtaking. C. Speed restrictions. The correct answers are B and C. When you see this sign, prohibitions such as no overtaking and speed restrictions cease to apply. What applies with this traffic sign? A. I have to anticipate taxi moving off and coming to a stop. B. I may stop. C. I may park. The correct answer is A. This traffic sign indicating a taxi stand means that you have to anticipate taxis moving off and coming to a stop in this area. What must you be prepared for here? A. That children will cross the road more frequently than usual. B. That children will be playing on the road under supervision. C. That the flowing traffic will come to a stop. The correct answers are A and C. When you see this sign, you must be prepared for children to cross the road more frequently than usual, and also anticipate that the flowing traffic will come to a stop to allow them to cross safely. What do you have to be aware of when you see with this traffic sign? A. In the area after this traffic sign, I may stop to quickly load my vehicle. B. I may stop to allow passengers to exit my vehicle. C. I may not stop. The correct answer is C. According to your input, upon seeing this traffic sign, you must be aware that you may not stop. What do you do when you see this traffic sign? A. You must be ready to stop despite taking precedence. B. You must give precedence to the oncoming traffic. C. You may only take precedence when the narrowing is clear. The correct answers are A and C. When you see this traffic sign, you must be ready to stop, even if you theoretically have precedence. Furthermore, you may only take precedence when the narrow section of the road is clear of oncoming traffic. What motor vehicles may enter an environment zone that has this sign? A. Motor vehicles that meet the requirements for a green particulate emission sticker, even if no such sticker is attached. B. Motor vehicles with a green particulate emission sticker. C. Motorcycles. The correct answers are B and C. Motor vehicles with a green particulate emission sticker may enter an environment zone that has this sign. Additionally, motorcycles are also permitted to enter this zone. What must you do upon seeing this traffic sign? A. I must allow the pedestrians to cross the road. B. I may not remain stationary on the pedestrian crossing if the traffic backs up. C. I must approach at a moderate speed if it is clear that pedestrians want to cross the road. The correct answers are A, B, and C. Upon seeing this traffic sign, you must allow pedestrians to cross the road. You are also not permitted to remain stationary on the pedestrian crossing if traffic backs up, to ensure the crossing remains clear. What do you do when you see this traffic sign? A. When there are 2 lanes in one direction, employ the zipper feed-in method. B. Give precedence to oncoming traffic. C. Where there are 2 lanes in one direction and you are driving on the left lane, you take absolute precedence. The correct answers are A and B. When you see this traffic sign, if there are 2 lanes in one direction, you should employ the zipper feed-in method for merging traffic. What should you do when you approach this traffic sign? A. Increase your speed. B. Avoid the uneven patches by making sudden steering wheel movements. C. Reduce your speed. The correct answer is C. When you approach this traffic sign, which indicates uneven patches or a speed bump, you should reduce your speed to safely navigate the road condition.